Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to get $500 worth of BKT Albania Bank Overdraft. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for BKT Albania Bank Overdraft. Then click on the first link that pops up. So now you guys are on the overdraft page. So as you can see, you guys can see the terms and conditions of the loan, how to apply, the rules. Then once you scroll downwards, you're going to click on apply now. Then here you're going to insert your personal information primarily, then your income information, then at last your loan information. So primarily we're going to insert our personal information. Then once you're done, you're going to click on continue. Then next, you're going to insert your income information, your employment status, the average monthly salary, and all the above. So again, once you're done, you're going to click on continue. So at last, you're going to insert your loan information. So as we said, we want the $500 overdraft. Then we're going to insert the currency, then the loan contract. Then once you're done, we're going to click on continue. So as you can see, our application has been successfully submitted. So they're going to reach out in a while. So you guys have to wait. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.